On behalf of the City of Bellingham, we'd like to share this video highlighting challenges faced by police departments statewide and legislative priorities to address those challenges.
Government should work for our communities. As Washington's law enforcement leaders, we believe in balanced public safety policies that support the core functions of government, where the men and women of law enforcement reflect and care for their communities and have the tools to care for victims in their pursuit of justice.
We support bipartisan cooperation to enact policies and programs to protect our communities and get people the help they need.
Crime is rising. More people are being taken advantage of, and there are not enough resources available to those in need.
Here are our legislative priorities to improve public safety and provide justice for victims.
The effects of the Washington Supreme Court Blake decision and legislative changes to our drug laws allowed for personal drug possession and made drugs essentially legal to possess across the state. It has made it far easier for those who sell drugs to prey on victims, and it's brought chaos to public spaces.
We support policies that provide incentives to encourage drug rehab and treatment while holding those who are in unlawful possession of drugs accountable.
We must break the cycle of drug abuse and provide help to individuals that need it, and take back our public spaces for our community and our businesses.
Moving forward together, behavioral and mental health services need to be strengthened with resources to hire more people who can be there in a crisis.
Law enforcement will be the first to recognize that car chase pursuits can be dangerous. Recent policies restricting pursuits made driving a car a get-out-of-jail-free card and creates conditions that enable criminals, jeopardize public safety, and reduces the rule of law in Washington.
Moving forward, together, we can fix the pursuit law to fall in line with Washington State's duty of care standards.
Prohibitions on vehicular pursuits need to be remedied. When not arresting the suspect outweighs the risk of the pursuit, officers need the option to chase criminals to ensure public safety. We can't allow offenders the advantage over victims to just drive away.
Today, our state has 500 fewer officers than it did a year ago. That affects prevention and response times to 911 calls and increases stress on our remaining police officers. De-escalation, proactive policing, and supervision requires resources to team up and slow down. Every community deserves a police force that is well-trained, well-equipped, and well-staffed to deliver best public service.
Moving forward together, our communities need funds to recruit and retain additional officers. We support effective solutions that will provide local governments with more resources for criminal justice services in ways that won't raise existing taxes.
Kids should have a choice. By removing a parent's choice to allow their child to talk to the police and removing a child's choice, the current laws are preventing both from fully taking advantage of circumstances where law enforcement is trying to help.
These laws prevent children from talking about an investigation with law enforcement officers, taking away opportunities to declare their innocence or offer helpful information to an investigation. In some cases, these laws have led to more youth being charged with crimes and sometimes tragic outcomes.
The current laws direct who kids can and cannot talk to. This creates an unfortunate outcome with more law enforcement cases filed, increasing the number of kids in the criminal justice system.
Moving forward together, positive intervention between our community's kids and law enforcement is good and a helpful tool to reduce crime.
Moving forward,
Together,
we can refine Washington laws to improve trust,
accountability,
and transparency.
we can bring our communities together and promote the safety of all Washingtonians.
All Washingtonians.
all Washingtonians.
all Washingtonians.
All Washingtonians.